Are ICT maintenance managers destined to thrive, or are they on the path to obsolescence? Let's explore the future of this vital role. The job market for computer and information systems managers, which includes ICT maintenance managers, is projected to grow much faster than average. We're looking at potential growth of around 17% from 2023 to 2033. The demand for skilled tech professionals is high, with many companies actively recruiting. However, organizations are struggling to find qualified people, contributing to a significant IT skill shortage, predicted to affect over 90% of organizations globally by 2026, potentially leading to substantial losses. We're expecting approximately 54,700 openings for computer and information systems managers each year. On average, over the next decade, IT is increasingly a core driver of business growth. Innovation and efficiency integrated with all departments. Automation and AI are reshaping roles, leading to a decline in traditional roles while creating new specialized ones. So, what skills are essential for ICT maintenance managers in 2025? First, a strong technical foundation remains crucial. Even if the manager isn't doing hands-on work daily, a deep understanding of computer networks, including protocols, architecture, subnetting, routing, and troubleshooting, is needed. Protecting organizational systems and data through cybersecurity skills is also paramount. This includes familiarity with physical, software, and network security, installing firewalls and routers, data encryption, risk mitigation, and knowledge of compliance regulations. Expertise in cloud platforms is essential, including understanding hybrid cloud architectures. Proficiency in data analytics, tools, and techniques is needed for informed decision-making. Grasp of AI and IoT technologies, including AI integration and machine learning applications in maintenance, is very valuable. Also needed are skills and explainability tools to interpret AI decisions. Expertise in computerized maintenance management systems. CMMS is important for streamlining work orders, tracking asset performance, and managing inventory. Understanding the basics of DevOps and agile methodologies helps optimize project delivery. Managers must master cloud, computing, and cybersecurity to safeguard digital assets effectively, and be proficient in data privacy regulations to ensure compliance. Leadership is essential for inspiring and motivating teams, providing clear direction, fostering teamwork, delegating effectively, and creating a positive work environment. Excellent communication skills are a must for conveying technical concepts to non-technical audiences and facilitating collaboration. Strategic thinking is needed to align technology initiatives with long-term business goals and identify opportunities for innovation. Analyzing complex problems, identifying root causes, and developing effective solutions is imperative. Evaluating options, considering data, and making informed decisions aligned with business objectives is also needed. The maintenance field is constantly changing, requiring successful managers to stay updated on new technologies and trends. Understanding the financial implications of maintenance decisions is crucial. Prioritizing tasks, developing maintenance schedules, and allocating resources efficiently are also important. Managers need the ability to relate well to others and generate positive results through them. Implementing predictive maintenance strategies using real-time data and analytics is key to forecast equipment failures and minimize downtime. A focus on green maintenance practices and energy-efficient technologies is also needed, including monitoring the environmental impact of maintenance tasks and implementing metrics that support sustainability goals. Understanding and implementing digital tools and platforms improves collaboration, data collection, and workflow management. Assessing the costs and benefits of new projects and justifying funding for projects is also crucial. Keeping updated on technological innovations in the sector aids in improvement. Key trends shaping the role include data-driven decision-making, modern hardware and software, make data collection and storage more accurate and efficient. Advanced analytics provide critical insights for proactive decision-making. AI and machine learning are transforming maintenance management, enabling systems to learn from data and improve efficiency. Real-time monitoring and timely intervention through IoT sensors allows for proactive maintenance and reduced downtime. AR and VR are being used for training, diagnostics, and remote collaboration. Virtual technology is becoming a more common method for diagnosing and troubleshooting. allowing off-site personnel a near hands-on experience. The adoption of digital tools and digital transformation will accelerate, with organizations depending on unified digital platforms. Maintenance is becoming more focused on sustainability, with efforts to reduce energy consumption and waste. Mobile devices and remote access tools are being utilized to improve efficiency and flexibility. Given the rapid pace of technological change, continuous learning and upskilling are crucial. IT is no longer just a support function, but is integrated into business strategy. With increasing cyber threats, cybersecurity skills are more important than ever. The future of industrial maintenance automation will be mostly based on safety. In conclusion, ICT maintenance managers who proactively acquire these skills and adapt to emerging trends are not only positioned to thrive, but will become indispensable assets in the evolving landscape of technology and business.